Javed was given 5 over 7 of a basket of oranges. What fraction of the oranges was left in the basket? So this 5 upon 7 or 5 over 7 is a fraction that was given to the Javed. It's being asked what fraction of the oranges is left now. So we can think of solving this problem in different ways. There are several ways to solve the problem. So let us see the first one. Suppose that there is a basket of oranges. If this is a basket of oranges, okay. So if this is a basket of oranges, and let me just copy it because we will use it in our next discussion. Okay. And we have one orange. Okay, this is one orange. Let me copy it here also. So this is Control C and Control V. Sorry, I have to copy this one. Control C, Control V. It's 2, it's 3, it's 4, it's 5, this is 6, and this is 7. I have to adjust it, therefore I'll have to remove it. Just removing this one. This can be okay. Adjusted. We have 7 oranges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So you will say that you have 7 oranges. That means that if we give 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, if we give 5 oranges to Javed, then 5 by 7, 5 over 7 is the fraction that has been given to Javed. What fraction of oranges is left? Since we have only 2 oranges left, therefore 2 by 7 or 2 over 7 is the fraction that is left now, and that's what our answer is. Okay, this is one way to think of solving this question. There can be another way, and what can be the other way? It's not necessary that you have only 7 oranges. Maybe this can be the condition. This is the second scenario. This can be the condition where you have, let's say, this particular basket, Control C, is divided into 7 equal parts. So 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Okay, these are not, very. Let me adjust this one also. Here and here. So just assume that these are equal portions. This basket has been divided into 7 equal portions, and now you have 1 orange in this one, then you have second orange in this one, third orange in this one. Okay, 3 oranges in each one. 1 orange here, second orange here, third orange here, and like this all have oranges here. So I'm just extending these dots so that you can just assume that we have 3 oranges in each portion. Okay, each portion contains 3 oranges. So since this basket has been divided into 7 equal parts and each part is filled with 3 oranges, if I have to give 5 by 7 of this basket of oranges of this basket to Javed, what does that mean? You have to give away 5 you have to give away 5 portions of this basket. That's what this is saying. You are giving away 5 by 7 of a basket of oranges. So one way to think of it was think or imagine that you are having 7 oranges in a given basket. Another way can be this basket is actually divided into 7 equal parts. Each part maybe can be filled with as many oranges. For our discussion, we are assuming or we are supposing that we have only 3 oranges in each line. Now if I give away 5 by 7 of the basket of oranges to Javed, that means you have to give away 5 by 7 equal portions. So if I give away 5 by 7, that is these 5 sections, how many sections are you left with? You are left with this section and this section. So you are left with now what? 2 by 7 of the basket of oranges. That's simple. Okay. Now, in this case also you are getting the same result. There's another way to think of it. Think that either in this case or in this case, think that this is whole, a single item, a whole object. This is also a whole object, a single item, and think of it as a whole or single object. You can make an analogy, and analogy can be like, think of it as 1 liter milk. And if you take away 5 by 7 from this 1 liter milk, right? How much are you left with? This is 1 liter milk. You took away 5 by 7. Of course, to solve it, it can be 1 by 1 and this is 1. So it can be written as, in order to make it as a like fraction, this will be 7 by 7 and then 5 by 7. And then we can continue with our, solving of subtraction of like fractions. Similarly, if this is a whole object, like here you could think of it as 1 liter milk. If I take away 5 by 7 of this whole object, right, of this whole object, what you are left with? You're left with this one only, right? We can solve in a similar fashion. So if I solve this, 7 by 7 and minus 5 by 7, it will be, denominator will be 7 and then 7 minus 5, 7 minus 5, 2 by 7. This is the answer. Here we made an analogy to 1 liter milk. Okay. So these are the 3 ways in which we can think of solving this particular question. Okay. And the answer, what will be your answer? Your answer will be 2 by 7.